In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a third-party domain from a company like GoDaddy to be able to use that domain with your Power Blog. So the first thing you're going to do is click right here where it says Add Your Domain. And if you notice the link right here at the bottom, click here to transfer a domain that will be used for the Power Blog. And what you're going to do is check all the boxes that you agree, because this is not for beginners. And then enter the domain that you're going to be transferring from, for example, GoDaddy. Once you've typed in the domain that you're going to be transferring over, just select one of these below. Most of the time, you're probably just going to check this. That means you're going to be transferring over the domain itself, and then click Show Instructions. It jumped me back here because I forgot to remove this .com. The .com is already showing here, so just put in the domain here, and then the .com is already there. All right, so click Show Instructions, and you'll notice that you just have your steps to accomplish here. So the first one is to log into your GoDaddy account, or you can basically just click here, and that is probably going to bring you to the exact page that you need. So I'm going to go ahead and click there, and here we go. We're on the right page. So let's just go through these instructions step by step. It says click the green add link in the bottom right hand corner. Okay, so let's do that. And then it tells me to, okay, for type, select A. So it's going to be A and then www. And I want to copy this. Let's make sure it says exactly that all the way across. A, www, and then points to, paste. Okay, that's all perfect. I'm going to click Save. Okay, the specified CNAME already exists in the zone. So what do we do in that circumstance? Did GoDaddy show an error message? Pop up some tips. So I've read through these directions, and now I'm going to do what it told me to do. I'm going to come back here, and what it's telling me to do is find and delete the entry with a www, which I see right here. So I'm going to click the pencil and follow the directions that it told me to do, which is click the trash, and now I'm going to click delete. And now that I've done that, I can do the steps over. And you remember the very first steps that we're supposed to do are right here with the A and the www, and then points right here. So let's do that. Click add, A, www, and then points to right there. I'm going to click save, and you'll notice that it worked that time. So let's go back to the directions and see what final steps that we have to do. Click the green add link. Okay, let's go do that again. All right, this time we're going to go A, at, and then points here. That's easy enough. A, at, right here, and then save. And that is it. I am done with all the steps. So now I'm going to jump back here. I'm going to let the system know that I've made the changes, and check this box here and test my change. And the first thing you're going to see is a message letting you know it's going to take probably 2 to 3 hours for your Power Blog domain to be propagated. And so I'm just going to agree that I understand. And that's it. You're done. Now, one thing I want to point out is when you get here, these tutorials are very important. This video here is going to show you how to get everything set up. And then below that are all the instructional videos for our first DV 3.0 theme. Good luck.